So Bangalore, let's make some noise and give a roaring welcome to Ms. Taniya Tikoo, co-founder of ObserveNow Media and DataGen.AI.
Thank you, Vaishnavi, and you've quite upsold what I'm going to do, but I'll try to live up to that expectation. Okay. I think I want to start with a quick context of what ObserveNow has been doing. Right now, Taniya, ObserveNow, we are at a cusp of this big change. For the last 5.5 years, we've been running successfully as a bootstrapped services company. We've worked with every technology company under the sun. Any company, Fortune 500 company, is our client at the moment, right from your Googles to Cisco's to the IBMs to Trend Micros, F5, Trellix, Canon, Adobe, Adecco. The list is too long, actually. Any company under the sun, I'll show you a PO. While working so closely with these companies, ObserveNow and I and my team actually realized that there is one core problem, recurring problem that every company, be it an Indian startup or an international MNC, faces, which is they find it really difficult to understand who to reach out to in companies who they want as their customers and what is the buying intelligence or intent that person has. So I think to solve that problem, ObserveNow has now come up with a product which is called DataGen.AI. Now what is DataGen.AI really? It's a B2B CXO data vault wherein you can find all information related to any CXO in India at the moment. That's how we're launching it. And you can add that to your database and start reaching out to those people efficiently. If you've heard the likes of, if you are some people who are using Apollo, Sales Navigator, Lucia, then I think you know what I'm really talking about. But the problem with those companies is, A, they're way too expensive. B, they do not have the on-ground 5-year plus event intelligence that ObserveNow has of the CXO community. The intelligence that ObserveNow has while working with these companies for the last 5 years, understanding their core TG, understanding their core problem statements, and actually delivering this manually, which is what we are going to do now with the help of our product, DataGen.AI. I think let's just skip to the product demo. Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick product demo. Zen, are we ready for that? Good. So I'm just going to do a quick product demo. This is our website, now officially launched, ready on Chrome Web Store, ready to download for anybody. One other thing that I would like to add about ObserveNow AI's product DataGen.AI is that you as customers can also upload your wish list of data, and our AI assistant Rumi will fetch all those data points for you. Can we scroll down? We're already working with some of the biggest names. So these are the key services. Then scroll up. Up. Yes. Yes. These are certain services that ObserveNow's product DataGen.AI is going to bring to the table. Of course, you can fetch your CXO data with a simple LinkedIn extension. We have AI-powered lead recommendations. Once you start using our product for a month, we will take in some buying signals from you, and our AI model will train itself to tell you what are the next lead recommendations, which are the companies that you must target, and what their buying intent for your particular product or service will be. We also have CXO data verified, and also what I just spoke about, the wish list that you would like us to enrich, we'll deliver that as well. Can we scroll down? It's a very simple way to set it up, literally 5-step. All of you have done some kind of a Google setup or any setup. It's as simple as that. We'll also show that. Scroll down. Why don't we start with the product demo with the free trial? Okay, let's also talk about the pricing point. So if you've used any of the platforms that I just mentioned, you can see that our price point is 1/4 of what you'll be paying for those platforms. So it's very easy to use, can blend in with your entire tech stack, and super efficient as well. Okay. So this is what the product looks like. Did you click on start free trial? Okay. There is a small extension. Can we start with the extension first then? So you see that icon over there? That's Rumi. Okay. Can we start with the Google Chrome extension bit then? Just open. Open in another tab. Yes. Chrome Web Store. Super simple. You go on Chrome Web Store. Yes. Click on that. Now, in the search bar, look for LinkedIn data enrichment. Yes, that's the one, profile enrichment. The first link that you see, that's our platform. It's a simple, now we've already added it because I didn't want to go through the whole hassle of doing it here. You just click on it and it will automatically add to your extension, and you see that little icon over there? Yes, that's it. Don't play with it. Yes. Now once this is done, you open the dashboard. The dashboard will open up. You just have to do a simple setup, your email ID, and set up a simple password. Once that's done, this is what your prima facie of the platform would look like. As you see this first link, LinkedIn Contact Enrichment. Click here. Now this is a simple dashboard, search board. You click on any profile on LinkedIn, copy the URL, paste it here, and these are all the details that you get of that person. Can we do a couple of other demos to show them the intensity of this? Okay, so you've done one. Let's do some other random search. Okay, random. Anybody. If you download the extension, you can do it two ways. One, you copy the link extension, the URL, put it onto the dashboard and search over there. Or you go to the profile and the LinkedIn profile enrichment. As you go to the profile, just show it to them. Yes. Refresh, and you will have the data here. Now, all the data that you search for, okay, because you're not going to remember, sometimes there's a trial, error, testing. So every data that you look for is saved in real time on your CRM. I think it takes 3 seconds to refresh, and all the data points in your CRM are saved, which you can export into an Excel sheet, which you can delete, which you can keep, which you can copy, which you can add to multiple projects. Any way you want to play with the data, any way you want to segregate the data, any way you want to analyze the data, everything is here. Now, pricing I think we already spoke about, but if you see my current plan, it's also showing the details at the bottom of my current plan. I have 450 credits, and I think 200 of them I've used. So one search equals to 1 credit, and one search equals to 10 data points of the on the person that you're looking for. These are the pricing models, super easy, super efficient for your pocket. And for all those who would like to buy the subscription today, there is a special discount of 10 to 15% as well. You can reach out to my team on the console. They'll help you with the setup, and they'll help you with the discounted prices as well. So this is in all what ObserveNow's DataGen.AI looks like. I'm at that beautiful spot in my entrepreneurial journey where I'm transitioning my company from a services company to a product company to an AI first company. And I thought this is the perfect place to do a launch. The product has been active in the market for 3 months in a beta stage. Right now also, we are doing beta testing with our enterprise clients. The entire focus of the product is to serve our enterprise clients for the first year. And then we, of course, move on and develop the product for all the other needs and wants for every client who would like to work with us. So if this is helpful for you, and this is the next step for your business for contact intelligence and data enrichment, please do try out our platform, DataGen.AI. With that, Vaishnavi, I think my presentation is done. If there are any questions, I'm happy to take them offline so that we can begin with the session. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, Zain.